The delegation comprises 6 executive directors and 3 alternate executive directors representing 67 countries. According to Minister of Finance Ahmed Sheku Fantamadi, who led the team to State House, the high-level delegation is in Sierra Leone on a 3-day visit to evaluate World Bank projects and deepening partnerships with government. Leader of the delegation, Dr. Zaruyu Kibwe, praised President Bill's leadership and the reform agenda. He emphasized that the visit aims to assess progress made so far and identify areas for advancing interventions. Speaking on behalf of the delegation, Zainab Hamed described Sierra Leone as a key partner. She reiterated the bank's commitment to supporting government key priorities. In his response, President Bill acknowledged the World Bank's long-standing partnership and impact on Sierra Leone's economy. The president emphasized government's continued commitment to advancing digital transformation, improving infrastructure, energy and mining, as well as strengthening flagship programs such as agriculture and the blue economy. He expressed appreciation for World Bank's timely support to Sierra Leone, mostly during crucial moments, and reaffirmed Sierra Leone's focus on building a skilled, competitive workforce through quality education and skill development.